Mind over matter. Imagine yourself sitting on the couch, exhausted after a long day, wishing you had the TV remote control. Wouldn't it be great if, instead of getting up to pick it up from the coffee table, you could use your mind to turn the TV on and flip through the channels? This idea may sound like science fiction, but it may not be as far-fetched as it sounds. The ability to move objects with the mind is known as telekinesis. It has long been speculated that people use only a small portion of their brains. It is said that if we used the full potential of our brain, we would discover that it has amazing abilities, including the ability to move objects without touching them. One person famous for her alleged ability to use her brain this way was Nina Kulagina. Kulagina, a Russian housewife born in 1927, caused a sensation in the 1960s and 70s with her alleged mental powers. Kulagina demonstrated her ability in a number of experiments, many of which were filmed. In one experiment, she separated the yolk and the white of an egg dropped into a tank of water. In her most incredible experiment, Kulagina used her mind to slow a frog's heartbeat until it stopped completely. Many in the scientific community are skeptical about whether Kulagina's powers were real or just a trick. However, many of these same people believe it is entirely possible for the brain to move an object, with the help of technology. For decades, scientists have been working on finding a way to make it possible for disabled people who do not have use of their hands to control devices with the brain. Recently, great progress has been made in this effort. In 2004, a paralyzed 25-year-old man named Matthew Nagel became the first person to benefit from such technology. Nagel had a chip that could read his mind implanted in his brain. Wires connected to both the chip and a computer fed the information from the chip into the computer. The computer analyzed this information and converted it into computer commands. The computer then sent these commands to various devices in Nagel's home. As a result, Nagel was able to do things like turn the lights in his home on and off, and open email just by thinking about doing these things. The hope is that one day this technology will make it possible for people like Nagel to regain the use of their arms and legs. Recent research has focused on making this technology simpler by replacing the computer chip with a cap. Brain waves can be picked up by the cap and sent to a computer, which then carries out the commands. The advantage of this approach is that the cap is wireless and does not require surgery. However, further research is needed to make this wireless technology as effective as the brain chip. While this technology has the possibility of dramatically improving the lives of disabled people, there are also many less dramatic commercial uses for it. For example, one company is developing a remote control that can be controlled with thoughts. So the next time you are feeling too lazy to get off the couch to get the remote control, take heart. Soon you may indeed be able to stay on the couch and turn on your TV without lifting a finger.